What's up guys, it's Thomas from the Barbers Directory, and I just finished my last haircut of the day. I got some footage of one side of the fade that I'm going to walk you guys through, but before we get into it, please subscribe. We're on a goal to get this channel to 200,000 subscribers, and I can't do it without you guys. To begin, we're going to start out with the lever fully open on the clipper, and we're going to make a 1-inch guideline. Now the best method for this video is to find someone that will let you cut their hair and go step by step. And the good thing about this fading method is that it will work on any texture of hair. Now we're going to fully close the lever on the clipper, and we're going to begin to gradually blend up. And we're going to slightly open the lever each time we go up. Here, I slightly open up the lever about a quarter of the way and continue to blend up. Lastly, I open the lever about 3/4 of the way open, just a little bit past halfway, and go right up under that guideline. Next, I'm going to take the number 1 guard and make another 1-inch guideline, and the lever is fully open. Now I'm going to fully close the lever with the 1 guard, and I'm going to start at the bottom. Now I'm going to open the lever halfway and blend in between that 1 guard open and 1 guard closed. Here I have on the half guard with the lever still in the halfway open position, and I'm blending up under that 1 guard closed. Be careful not to go too high. Then I fully close the lever and go right up under that. Now I have on the number 2 guard with the lever fully open. Now we're about to begin blending the middle portion of the fade. Now I fully close the lever and begin to blend right up under that. Now I have on the 1.5 guard going up under that 2 guard. The lever is fully open. Then I'm going to close it and blend right up under that. Now all that's left is to blend into the top of the fade. So here we have on the number 3 guard with the lever fully open. Then I just close the lever and I'm trying to get the weight out of the middle of the fade. The number 4 guard, this is the last guard that we will be using. And this is just to blend everything into the top. Now I'm going to go back and do touch-up work. So here I'm taking the number 1 guard and I'm getting rid of any dark spots that I see. A good rule of thumb is to start with the lever open, or if you're more comfortable you can start with it closed, but just to be on the safe side, start with the lever open and then begin to close as you need to. Also, use your mirror and this will show you any imperfections. Often your eyes will fatigue after a while, but your mirror will definitely help. If you followed along with me, then you should have a similar result to this. Once again, please subscribe. If you got value out of this video, or if you like this style of video, the fade along style, let me know and I'll continue to do videos like this.